everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am UshaBala. So today I'm gonna show you this papaya fruit facial. So let's get started into the video. Okay, first of all take a papaya and take on that one slice. Okay, we need one slice only in our face and neck. So please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. So let's get started. Okay, in this video I gonna show you for cleansing with papaya only. Okay, take a slice on the papaya. Okay, and make a small pieces, cut into small pieces. Okay, like so. Okay, now take an empty bowl, pour on the slices on that bowl. Okay, and then refrigerate 10 minutes. Okay, we need cool papaya slices, so refreeze it. Okay, now 10 minutes over. Take out the papaya. Cleansing after procedure, scrubbing your face. So next video for scrubbing. Stay tuned on my channel, guys. Okay, now take a fork and smash it well. Okay, make a paste on that papaya. Any facial has 4 procedures. First of all, cleansing, next scrubbing, next moisturizing and face pack. Okay, this is for only cleansing with papaya. Okay, if you don't have too much of time this smashing, so you can grind it well also. Okay, that is the best procedure to paste it well. Okay, now take out the peel. Take an empty bowl and leave a side of that peel. We need that also. Okay, now this paste divided into 3 equal parts. Okay, take an 2 empty bowls, another empty bowls, and divided into 3 equal parts that paste. Okay, first bowl is peel and second, third, fourth is paste. Okay, papaya paste. Please like my videos, guys. Okay, now first take the peel of the papaya. Okay, and pour it in an empty bowl and take a rose water 1 spoon and take honey 1 spoon. Okay, now add on the 2 ingredients, 1 spoon, 1 spoon. Okay, now mix it well and cleansing on your face. Okay, this is the cleanser, papaya cleanser. So now apply on your face and neck with circle motions. Okay, like so. Now cleansing your face for 5 minutes with this papaya peel. Okay, wear old clothes only, don't wear new clothes. Okay, for any facials or scrubs you are doing. Okay, now the cleansing completed. Okay, I'm using this tulips wet wipes for clean my face. Okay, if you don't have wipes on your home, okay, so don't worry. Okay, you can clean with water only. Okay, cold water. So this is the video for cleansing only. Next video coming up for papaya scrub. So this is very lengthy video, so I cut it for 4 parts for cleansing, scrubbing, moisturizing and face pack. Next videos coming soon. Stay tuned on my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Next video is papaya scrub coming soon. Stay tuned on my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Never miss another update video. So please like all my videos and share my videos, guys.